Good morning, everyone. This is part of the Jack series. Jack is my father, and he has an iPhone and an iPad, and on occasion I want to share some tips or ideas with him. So in this tutorial, I am going to show him how to make sure the Wi-Fi settings are on his iPhone. And the reason this is important is because he lives in an area where when he's in his home, sometimes the iPhone doesn't really pick up the signal if he gets an incoming call or if he's making a call out. For example, if he's in the basement of his home, he can sometimes not necessarily know whether or not he can dial out or if someone can dial in, if the phone will ring, because the wireless or the cellular service is not that good where he lives. So to get around that, the iPhone has a setting in which it can use the Wi-Fi in his home to place a phone call and to receive phone calls and also send and receive messages. So the way you do that is this. On your iPhone, you want to click on Settings. When you click on Settings, you want to go down to Cellular. When you get to Cellular, I want you to observe in the middle there's an area called Wi-Fi Calling, and it's off right now. But I'm going to click on that, and you'll notice up top it says Wi-Fi Calling on this iPhone. I'm going to hit that little tab, I'm going to click Enable, and that allows us to now place phone calls and receive phone calls over the Wi-Fi. Once that's on, you don't have to worry about it. There's an area here where you can also update your emergency address, just in case people have to get in touch with you or they've got to reach you. But that's what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you how to turn on the Wi-Fi real quick. And you can just exit out of this by going back to Cellular and Settings and just scroll up and just get away from this. Just getting things closed and you're all set. That's all there is to it. It's rather easy. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.